Welcome to Violin Adventures number 202. Well, this past week I had a relapse in my health, so no work got done in the workshop. We'll just have some interesting little tidbits I hope you'll enjoy. We'll share with you a little more detailed Hebrew minute. So here we have our Hebrew scroll. This is the Torah, and it is the first 5 books of Moses. We use a pointer to point at the words. It's printed on animal skins, and so that we don't add the oils of our hand to this very expensive hand printed copy. When you want to find a verse that is not in the first 5 books, I have this beautiful book which is leather bound, and this says the Torah, the Nevi'im, which are the prophets, and the Ketuvim, which are the writings. So this is the whole Tanakh, or what is also known as the whole Old Testament. So it will be in the writings. And we read from right to left. And this is one of our favorite verses. Bitak el Hashem b'kol livaka ve'el binataka al tisha'en b'kol derakecha da'ehu v'hu yeyasher or hotecha. So trust in the Lord with all your heart, and on your own understanding do not lean. In all your ways know him, and he will straighten or direct your path. If you know where this is found, please leave it in the comments below. Here's a beautiful embroidered bag, and inside the bag we pull out the tallit. This is 100% wool. Here on the edge, this would be considered the hem of the garment. These remind us of all the commandments. Then as you open it out, here, this is the part that you would look at before you put it on. And this says, Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech ha'olam, and then it continues with the prayer. But all the prayers begin with, Blessed are you, O Lord our God, King of the universe. This is beautifully embroidered. A little update on the bees. Well, here are the bees. They're all calm and busy. Look at how tiny these are. And a special recording from North Yorkshire. This is Friday afternoon. We've had a good wet rain. And down in the shop, I've just been picking up, getting all ready for next week when we can start in, hopefully, Lord willing. We can start the carving of our new violin, and we can continue with the work on this 1800s violin. There's the professor's cello waiting to be varnished. Well, hope to see you next week. Well, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your wonderful comments and your thumbs up. And until next time, bye.